In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cloudflare Verify You Are Human issue. If you often see a page asking you to prove you're human before you can access a website, that's Cloudflare doing its job. Cloudflare is a security service that sits between you and the website you're trying to visit. It checks visitors for signs of bots or suspicious activity. When something in your connection looks unusual, it may show you a verification page more often than normal. In this video, I'll walk you through simple things you can do on your own device and browser to reduce or fix that problem. First, start by checking your internet connection. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, try turning it off temporarily and then reload the page. Cloudflare can be more strict with traffic that comes from shared or unknown IP addresses, which is common with some VPNs. If you're on public Wi-Fi, like in a cafe or airport, you might see more challenges too. So if possible, switch to a more trusted network or your mobile data and test the site again. Next, look at your browser. Make sure you're using a modern, up-to-date browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Outdated browsers can send old or unusual signals that Cloudflare doesn't fully trust. Go into your browser settings and look for the option to clear browsing data. Clear your cache and cookies, at least for the site that's giving you trouble, then close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. You should also check that JavaScript and cookies are enabled. Cloudflare's verification system relies on them to confirm that a real browser is visiting the site. In your browser settings, make sure you're not blocking all cookies or disabling JavaScript. If you use strict privacy plugins or extensions, try disabling them for that specific site, or testing the page in an incognito or private window without extensions. If you have a security or antivirus program that includes web protection or a firewall, it may interfere with normal traffic. Open your security software and look for any web filtering or browser protection settings. You don't want to turn off security completely, but you can temporarily relax overly aggressive filters and then test the site again. Finally, if you've tried all of that and you're still seeing constant challenges, it could be an issue on the website side or with your internet provider's IP address. In that case, contact the website support or your provider. Explain that Cloudflare is challenging you excessively and ask if they can investigate. Follow these steps patiently, testing the website after each change. And in most cases, the Verify You Are Human issue should become far less frequent or disappear entirely.